which websites are popular among your generation?
Among my generation, the Gen Z, usually people love YouTube as their first priority, or you could say many streaming websites like Twitch, Kick, and so on. And other websites could be Instagram, maybe Spotify for listening music, for jamming, or so on.
Okay. How has the internet changed social behavior?
Well, it has both sides, the good and the bad. So for the good sides, I would say it has helped many businesses promote their business, what they do, to promote what they provide, and it has also helped make our work ethic more efficient and improved a lot. And on the bad side, I would say people have become more internet dependent. So there's a loss between human interaction, and people have been more introverted in real life when having a conversation or when engaging with someone.
Okay. By saying that, do you think all information on the internet is true?
No. Misinformation tends to spread faster online, whereas in real life you would require proof, and you would require yourself to see it with your own eyes. Internet has both its sides. There are truths, there are lies, there are deceptions. It varies.
And one last question for you, Mr. Mustaqim. What will be the next big development online?
I would say AI is going to take over. As you can see, it's pretty obvious currently, but AI taking over also has its advantages and disadvantages. So many people fear that AI will replace their jobs, which currently it is happening currently. And on the other side, AI helps everyone in many ways, which makes doing our work and our tasks, which helps us to be more beneficial, and it's really important in our life. So I would say AI has both its sides. If you know how to use it well, then it can give you the good advantages, and if it falls in the wrong hands, it can lead to a lot of consequences.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So that's it. Thank you, Mr. Mustaqim. Good job. Job well done. Sir Karim, come on. We are